Now, in this next section of the video, I'm going to show you how to add an MCP into your WordPress websites. An MCP will essentially connect the AI tool into our WordPress websites. And by doing this, it can now create pages, it can self-install plugins, it can use the plugins, hell, it can even install a WordPress theme if you wanted to, right? It can do anything you want inside of WordPress. So let me walk you through how to set this up. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is download a free plugin. So there is a website in the video description. It is called Novamir.ai, and this will connect Claude with our WordPress websites. So once you get here, you'll click on download for free and then click on download zip. Next, we'll upload our plugin. So over here, let's go ahead and go to our websites and go to plugins. Then I'll go over here and click on add plugin and then upload plugin. And then I'll choose the file. Here, I'll select Novamir and then click on open. Next, I'll click on install now. After that, we'll activate the plugin. Next, we're going to connect Novamir with Claude. So over here, you'll see Novamir. I'll click on configuration. Next, I want to make sure that we enable AI abilities. So here, I'll check this box and click on save settings. Here, I'll click on OK. Next, it's going to give you two methods, authentication or application password. Authentication is actually really simple. So go ahead and select authentication. And then we're going to select Claude Desktop. So here I'll select Claude Desktop, and all we're going to do is copy and paste these into Claude. So the first is a custom connector, and this is the name. So I'll go ahead and copy this, and we're going to open up Claude Desktop. Okay, so I opened up Claude Desktop. Now I just want to remind everyone watching this, you must use Claude Desktop. You cannot use the browser version. So make sure that you do download the desktop version. Once you do, you'll go over here and click on settings, and then you'll click on connectors. The next thing you'll do is go up here and click on add and then select custom connector. Now it's going to ask you for your name and then the URL. You're going to paste in the name that you got from Novamir right here. You'll just go ahead and paste in the name. And then we're now going to paste the URL. Going back to our WordPress website, here is the server URL. So I'll copy this and go back to Claude. I will now paste in the URL right here under remote MCP server URL. I'll paste it and then I'll click on add. It's now going to want me to connect. So right here, I'll click on connect. Next, it's going to open up a new window right here. Make sure that you're currently logged into your WordPress website. If you're logged out, it might have authentication issues. So just make sure that you are logged into your current website just so that it can log in through cache. And it'll bring you to this page, and all you're going to do is click on authorize. And then we're redirected back to our Claude desktop.